In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for email design. By the end, you'll be able to send your Canva designs straight into Mailchimp so they're ready to use in your campaigns, saving you time and keeping your branding consistent. Start in your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar and open the integration section. Here you'll see a library of tools that connect with Mailchimp. Find Canva and select it. Click the Connect button, take a moment to read the on-screen notes so you know what's being shared, and then click Continue. Mailchimp will ask you to authorize the connection on the Canva side. Enter the email you use for your Canva account and click Allow. This permission lets the two platforms talk to each other securely, so your designs can move over to Mailchimp's Content Studio. Next, switch to Canva and open the design you want to send. This can be a single-page graphic or a multi-page design, either works. In the top right, click the Share button. If Mailchimp doesn't appear right away in the Quick options, choose More to expand the full Share panel. Scroll to the Messaging section and select Mailchimp. If it's your first time using this from Canva, you may be prompted to connect Mailchimp and log in again. That's normal and simply confirms the sync from Canva's side. Canva will then ask which pages you want to export. Select exactly what you need, for example, just the hero image or all the pages of a carousel, and click Done. When you're ready, click Save. Canva will process the export and send the selected pages directly to your Mailchimp Content Studio. This is your central media library in Mailchimp, and it's where you'll find the files ready to drop into your emails and templates. That's it. Your Canva design is now available in Mailchimp, and the integration is set up for future projects. If you ever need to switch designs, just repeat the Share to Mailchimp flow in Canva, pick your pages, and save. Thanks for watching.